Better know when I come through. Better have a tone on you. Tech gon' break a couple bones on you. Doc can't clone you. Put you in a tight box like a phone booth. Don't move. Got my nigga Jules with the pump too. Just in case you got a friend, slow or slump you. Fuck a gun, we'll just jump you. My squad don't play. Flag tied on my face. Gun in your face. One on my waist. One black, one chrome. Shot twice through his back. It's gone, nigga. Gangsters, what you lacking? Homes, let the gun blow like a saxophone. Killing every track your black be on. Be real, nigga. Be still, nigga. Chill, nigga. Chill, nigga. He ain't wanna listen though. Wonder how this will go. Him and my gun under the mistletoe. Quit to let a nigga know. Quit to let a missile blow. I'll ride and die for my niggas though. If you talking about money, know we gon' get it, ho. Cock back, pop that, body's gon' hit the flow. Cause it's the season for receiving these bullets that's leaving you bleeding. You needed medical attention. Why is you standing there screaming? Need to be leaving while you still capable of breathing, dawg. You gon' need some CPR. If God ain't on your side today, you just might not see tomorrow.
If it's that murder music, I'm talking boss and killer shit. Grab that strap, load it up, cock it back and kill a bitch. Nigga, it's that killer shit. Name a click as real as this. Let it be your problem, man. I'm cocking back and killing shit.
I might pull up at that drop six, hold stop and drop lips, pop shit, tell it done, did this nigga drop clips. I'm on that pop shit, give you 5 shot shits, reload strap for your ass over hot shit. Young fly kid, no you are not this. Strap in the host that'll leave your ass topless. If it's money, then I'm all in your pockets. T-Mac, she on #1 with a rocket. Run up in your crib with the Mac and the beam. Jackie your thing, snatch your cream.
Slow it down, let these niggas know that you back on the scene.
Jewel to the dollar sign, known cause I popped the 9. I'ma get money, niggas stand on the block for mine. Niggas retards on the heat sport, brain on the curve, now you got real street smarts. Fuck cold cause a nigga got a heat heart. Sit your ass down, learn how to play a G part. I'm the best though, singers with the best flow. Niggas stay strapped with an all black dress code. I'm the text blow, couldn't beef on talking like trick day, high no, let's go. We got them flags on the face, mag on the waist, blast the K, act up if you want to, ride in the trunk, click clack, then throw your ass in the lake. Y'all niggas know that's us, green flags folded up, clean straps, extra clip, shit, I'ma load it up.
Nigga, it's that murder music, I'm talking boss and killer shit. Grab that strap, load it up, cock it back and kill a bitch. Nigga, this that killer shit. Name a click as real as this. Let it be a problem, man. I'm cocking back and killing shit.
Text gon' bust and them hollers gon' fly. 1 to the head, 2 more to the eye. Get it poppin' from the Midwest to the dirty South, body more murder than and why. Y'all niggas better watch who you testing. I don't really give a fuck how y'all flexing or how much weight y'all put on the weights when you got it on your chest and your niggas bench pressing. Catch me in the streets when your niggas wanna bang, put money in your head, couple grand in the thing. Want a buck, put your nigga in, what's up? Fuck with me, got like fucked up. Pull up in the range, flagged up, red hoodie. With the Mac out the truck, nigga, what's goody? Think you gon' bust back, nah, be shitty. Fuck that, keep us off with the spitty.
Young Bakes, ride with 9s, die for 5, bang with B's. Ride with Black, I guess it's C's. Fuck with Dre, I guess it's G's. GMB, I'm bout my cheese. I'm paid in full, I'm bout my keys. High as fuck, I Japanese. I kill for fun, y'all kill for free.
So I stay strapped, K's on my seat, K's on my street, yep, K's on my seat. Still styling in the whip, J's on my feet, J's on my feet, yep, J's on my feet. Got a cold heart like ice outside, no lights outside. Take the fight outside, part next to the ride, lady man's on the side screaming, Sue, blood's outside, bang.
Nigga, this that murder music, I'm talking boss and killer shit.
Yes! I bought your Colgate toothpaste, the one with tartar control, and it made me feel like a piece of shit!
And a strap, load it up, cock it back and kill a bitch. Nigga, this that killer shit. Name a click as real as this. Let it be your problem, man. I'm cocking back and killing shit.
You can find me sitting in the fold, flag on the headrest, smoking on the jaw. Getting topped by a hoe with a man's in the scope. Safety off, aim at the throat. Nigga try front, got a case in the trunk. Pop it, cop it, aim, let it dump. Shotty with a pump, jerk it to a cum. Punch it through your lungs, now your ass done. You know me, I got keep that Glock. Pull up in the Jeep and let it pop. Or hit you from a distance, ain't no difference. Like a JJ Redick shot. Niggas talking the talk, but ain't walking the walk. I'm walking the block with my Glock unlock. Cocking the Glock as I walk to your spot. Pop, 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 straight to your heart.
Don't let me slow it down for you. The boy go by Calamore.
With a horse, stunting in a whip that you can't afford. The clip I hold or have these niggas sprinting like they hopping hurdles. Leaving blindfolded with a show on his back like a fucking ninja turtle. Me niggas in the whip, other niggas got clips. Fuck you, ain't no fit in my clique. Like a bitch that don't swallow, you know I'm gonna let this bitch spit. Dip quick as GMB, better get used to it. Burn a gap, bass and clap, that's what I call murder music.